Unfortunately, might be time to retire her. Sag of the GPU might have finally done its damage. I think that's probably the issue. Oh, that's a good sign. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Boot up. Maybe it's not the issue. I don't fucking know. I don't understand why I can't get a signal. Try the other slot just for shits and gigs here. This was my gamer. I bought it in 2008. It was good until my ex decided to be a bitch and put it in the storage unit, and it got water damage and who knows what else. So we're gonna try to get it working. If not, it's gonna get retired, and maybe I'll do a new build in it. Maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see. Come on, clip. Yeah. This thing was so dope back in 2008 when it first came out. Crazy. 2008 to 2018 is 10 years, and 2025 it's another 7 years, so 17 years old. And even as much dust as it's got less than some people's builds that are only fucking a year or two old. I've seen some super dusty shit. Love that gunmetal. They need to start doing more of that. Again. Everyone took the plastic off. That was Best Buy being a bunch of retards that they are, not properly trained. Same thing with my cable management in here. Best Buy did this shit back in the day, and oh boy, did they do a job. That is how things overheat and get burnt up and fucked up. When you don't do your job properly, they take off the fucking wrap. Wow. It is a brand new under there. This is a Wi-Fi card. Back in the day, Linksys pioneered that shit. This is how they first started. Now they're like fucking this big inside there. DDR3. That's how old this bitch is. DDR3. We're on DDR5 now. It's funny. Six gigabytes is all it took to run Modern Warfare back in the day. Oh! Smashed my elbow and smashed the thing. Alright. I'm really upset. Look at that. They zip tied it. Zip tied it to my fucking fan. That's Best Buy for you. Next time you're gonna get a computer, don't go to Best Buy. Well, you can get the parts from Best Buy, but don't let them put it together. Bring it to me. I'll put it together for you. Yeah. Cable management is ridiculous. Ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. Well, I'd say it needed some new after 18 years. I would say that's why it was running a little hot.